Okay, folks, here's the kittens. Oh my gosh, it's the little tabby. Oh, he's cute. He's so cute. I just saw the black kitty or the gray one, I'm not sure. Oh my gosh, finally. Thank goodness Mojo, I'm being super quiet. I think maybe the rainbow is really loud when I open the door. I'm like freaking out too. Besides the fact that they don't know me yet. I need some chicken. I don't have any chicken right now to bribe these cats. Oh, the babies. That's the black one. And the orange one. I don't want to go out here yet because I know they're going to bolt the second I go out there. Where's the gray one? That's the black one and the brown one. I mean the tabby kitty. Maybe the other one's over here.